Congress Central Election Committee meeting has just ended. Congress sources claim that the reason why the NCP wants to fight separately now is to keep their options open for a post-poll tie-up with the BJP, and they will wait and watch and take a decision only after the Sena and BJP arrive at a decision.
सभी सीटों पर चर्चा की है।
अलायंस को लेकर फैसला है क्या, उस पर क्या
वो है तो सीएम, पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट, जनरल सेक्रेटरी और हाईकमान बैठ के तय करेगा अलायंस के क्या करना है।
लेकिन अभी सब
नो आइडिया उनका डेडलाइन सीट के बारे में पूछे, अलायंस के बारे में नो आइडिया।
कितने सीटों पर चर्चा हुआ है सर?
सभी सीटों पर चर्चा।
नहीं, नाम कितनी सीटों पर
वो हम बता देंगे आपको।
Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan is joining us with the inside buzz. Essentially, Madhav, what we understand now is that this entire public facade of 144 seats that the NCP has been harping on is just to buy more time to look at what happens to the BJP-Shiv Sena alliance.
Well, absolutely. It's really, of course, watching from both sides what really the other part of the alliance really does, or the other party really does, really, in a sense, waiting to see whether what happens as far as the BJP-Sena alliance is concerned before a final call is taken as far as this particular alliance is concerned. So both the Congress and the NCP is waiting to see really how things pan out, and if there is a split within the alliance as far as BJP-Sena is concerned, then perhaps the option of NCP to exercise going alone in these elections would perhaps also be in the realm of possibility. That's why no party is coming out very clearly and spelling out a stand. There is, of course, till the end of this week, it's Saturday, that is the 27th, which is the last date of filing nominations. They have about 6 days within which to take this call, and so of course saying that it is perhaps closer to the 25th, about 2 days before the finalization of nominations are concerned, that we expect to see a clearer picture emerging as far as the alliances of both the Congress NCP as well as the BJP Sena are concerned.
3 बजे हमारे अध्यक्ष तटकरे साहब के घर पर निवास स्थान पर कोर कमेटी की बैठक है। पवार साहब की अध्यक्षता में वो बैठक होगी और आगामी चुनाव की जो रणनीति है वो इसमें हम उस पर फैसला लेंगे।
We have been seeing even the NCP and the Congress have been trying to come up with a dialogue. So, but if there is a four-cornered fight in Maharashtra, sir, how strong is the Congress's chances?
At the moment, I won't like to speculate because I think it's purely hypothetical. I certainly don't think it will be four-cornered. At the worst, it may be three-cornered because we are going to have an alliance.
We had asked for 144, as we all know, 50%. We came down, we said we are not very rigid on that. They have come up to 125. Yesterday, Manikrao Thakre has publicly gone on record having accepted that they are offering 125 seats. It's a question of between 125 and 140. We can come midway somewhere and I think sort it out, and there should be not much difficulty. But if Congress is very adamant that, well, like Uddhavji, they would say that we are not going to exceed beyond 125 and the matter should be closed here, then I am sorry to say that we shall also have to be prepared for fielding on all 280 seats, 88 seats.